and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be playing with my Coastal Scents shadows because I am wanting to kind of play with them a little bit more. I was feeling very pinky purple today, and I also wanted to play with a few of my Medusa's makeup glitters, and I thought it would be fun to do kind of a summery pinky purple tutorial for you guys. Well, if you want to see how I got this look, then just continue watching. Okay, are you guys excited? I'm playing with my Coastal Scents shadows again. The first shade we are using is Fancy Pansy, and I'm using the Glamour Doll Eyes tapered blending brush to work it into my crease. The next shade I'm using is Persian Pink, and I'm using that same brush, and I'm just going over the top of Fancy Pansy, and I'm kind of blending those two colors together. Then I'm going to be using the shade Hot Tamale, and I'm using a Kivage blending brush. This is just a blending brush. It's not really tapered or anything like that. And I'm working this on my outer corner and all the way through my crease and kind of blending all those colors together. Then I'm going in with Vibrant Plum, and I'm taking this on an e.l.f. blending brush, but I'm just using it to kind of stamp it into the outer corner and work it into the crease just a bit. I'm going back in with that Glamour Doll Eyes brush and kind of blending everything together. Then I go in with the Hot Tamale shade. Now I'm going to be taking some NYX glitter primer and the Medusa's makeup glitter shade in Ziggy. And I'm just going to do half of my crease, or half of my lid covered in glitter primer, and then going to top that glitter primer with the pink Ziggy glitter shade. And this glitter I thought went perfectly with the shades that I chose for the rest of my eye. Now, I didn't feel like doing a full lid of glitter, but you definitely can do a full lid of glitter. And notice that I'm applying this with a flat kind of shader brush, and I am not swiping it on. I am patting it onto my lid. That is one of the best ways I have found to work with loose glitter. I pat it on and I take very little onto the brush. Now we're doing the next eye. Notice that patting motion. I didn't want to speed this up because I really wanted you guys to see how I apply loose glitter. I didn't want to make it look like it's just magic. No, it takes some time. You have to be patient. You have to work at it. And you have to be very careful where you place your brush. And I highly recommend doing kind of a flat shader or packer brush. Something that's going to hold on to that glitter. And now I'm just going in and kind of refining everywhere I put that glitter. I'm going to go through and blend over a couple of shades on it just to kind of blend it in with everything else that is on my eyes, using those same brushes that I did before. Now I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Blacklist Gel Liner, and I am just doing a line across my lid. I'm not doing a wing or anything fancy. I also find that gel eyeliner works really well over glitter, and this gel eyeliner in particular does not pull the glitter off of my face. And I think that is important when playing with glitter. You want to find an eyeliner that is not going to take the glitter off, because that's just no fun when you did all of that work to get that glitter where you wanted it. Next, I'm going to be using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This stuff's okay. I just needed a primer. Then I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter Foundation, and I use the shade Light 45. I find that this works really well with a sponge. Kind of recommend it with a sponge. It's an okay foundation. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Insta Age Rewind, and I'm just going to apply this to underneath my eyes, you know, where the dark circles are. I'm just going to blend that out and just make sure it looks nice and neat. Then I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my face and use it more as a highlight on my face than anything else. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I have this in Fair Light. I like to use it with a sponge. Now I'm taking the ColourPop No Filter pressed powder, and I'm using the Bayjoy powder brush to apply this all over my face. And yes, you need a heck ton of product. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild contour palette in Dulce de Leche, and I am using a Crown contour brush. Going back over, and I'm going to kind of veil this with that powder and the Bayjoy brush because I kind of did it heavy today. Then I'm going to take the Studio Makeup Loose Luminous Blush, and I use the tiniest amount ever. I'm using the Luxie 514 blush brush, and then we're going to go back in with some more of the NYX glitter primer on my eyes in the inner corner, and I'm going to be using the Medusa's makeup shade in Star Wars because I absolutely love this in my inner corner. It's become a little bit of a favorite lately. And look at how pretty! It's so pretty! And then again, I'm just using a flat packing brush. I'm using a different one just to kind of make sure that I'm not taking a ton of glitter because I don't want glitter fallout all over my face. I just want it in the inner corner where the glitter primer is. Oh yeah. Next, I'm going back in with Vibrant Plum, and I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm just running that underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I don't know why I've been liking this so much lately. Then I'm taking the Stila Heaven's Hue Highlight in Kitten, and we're going to put that all over my face. Just everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. My cheeks, my nose, my Cupid's bow, my brow bone, everywhere. It needs to be everywhere. Then I'm going to take my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Viper, and I really think that this lip completes the look. Yeah. Well, what did you guys think of this look? I do hope you enjoyed it. I feel very pretty today, and I'm hoping to play with more glitter. So if you want to see more glittery looks, let me know. Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this kind of summery pinky purple tutorial. I know not everyone's going to think this look is summery, but I live for pinky purple looks, and I really wanted to use my Viper lipstick from ColourPop. So this is what I came up with. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It does mean the world to me. Well, thank you guys again. Hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!